Hey everybody, it's Dr. Charlie at the Wall location, and today we're going to be talking about an often overlooked muscle that is a big cause of low back pain, and that muscle is the psoas muscle. The psoas muscle is also referred to as your hip flexor because one of the main actions of this muscle is to take your hip and raise it up, but also it will actually make your body and trunk flex forward. So in order to do this, it attaches to two separate parts. One of the parts it attaches to is on your femur, which that's the long bone on your leg right there. It's attached to a part called the lesser trochanter, and it goes through your pelvis and attaches to the front of your spine. And if you look right here, it's going to attach not only to the front of these vertebrae, but the front of the discs as well. So this muscle, when it gets overused and tight, and can be a big cause of low back pain. Specifically, it can not only pull on the front of the vertebrae and increase the lordosis, or the curve in your back, and have an anterior pelvic shift, which this is what happens to your pelvis, but it can also pull on these discs. And one of the things that we do in this office is check the length of the psoas and make sure that is at the proper length and flexibility.
So one of the most effective ways that we treat the psoas muscle is through something called PNF stretching. And what this is going to do is going to facilitate the muscle during a contraction in which I provide some resistance. And then once he relaxes, we're going to stretch it out. So I'm going to show you what it kind of looks like from here. So I'm going to pull you forward a little bit. We'll come right here. So the psoas is going to be running from here into the low back. And you can see how this leg is a little raised up, showing that the psoas is shortened and could be causing him some of his back discomfort. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to provide a stretch going down right here. I'll be holding this for 2 seconds. And what I want you to do, I want you to press up and move my pressure, okay? Press up. 1, 3, 2, and 1, and relax. And once he starts relaxing, I'm going to stretch it even more past the point before, providing a little extra stretch. And we'll be doing this a few different rounds for both sides.
For this next portion, I'm going to show you a way to stretch your psoas at home. So this way we can help decrease your low back pain and give you another way to help control everything to keep you out of pain. So the first portion is you're going to be in this position right here. So in order to stretch the right psoas muscle, I'm going to have John's right leg be down like this, and his left leg going to be up right here. So the first portion of this exercise is lean forward for me. And once you're locked out in this position, we're going to have your right arm go straight above and above your head. It's very important in this position to keep your back nice and straight so you don't put an increased pressure on those joints in the low back. So in this position, the bottom portion of your psoas is stretched, and also the top connecting to the lumbar spine is also stretched. You want to keep this stretch for about 20 seconds at a time, and then come and relax. And here's the rest position, and then you can switch from there.